Yes, morning, kings and queen. Morning, blessed love and respect. Good afternoon, good night. Depends who you are watching this video from. Well, today, guys, I got turn in front of me where I build up my house, my local garden, where I can sow some pop chai, seed, and space them out after them sow and grow up. And also, I go plant some planting sucker when I dig 3 days ago. So them drain for 3 days now. So it's the right time to plant them on full moon, or 3 days after full moon. So just stay tuned, watch what I go and enjoy this video. Whenever you come across the ads, please watch it. Don't skip the ads. Please watch the ads, guys. So just stay tuned, watch what I go on. But first, me have to get as much tone as out of this the place where I go sow them. So the first thing I go clean up the little bush them where they're there. Then I get out some of the stone them and mold up the place with the fork. Then we start sow the seed them. So just like this video, watch it to the very end and share it family and friends. Enough love and respect to you all. Yeah man, happy Thursday morning to you around the world. Yeah man, that is love and respect. So I'm going to show you which part I'm going to clean up and take out as much stone as possible, then I fork it up, People, I'm going to start from right over there, where you see that piece of zinc, come back all up here, so, Yeah man, come back right to here, so if anything, them black here go move, go up there, so cause me that move some already. Yeah, but me then start the video showing when I move them. So we don't have much black left to move, put up there, Yeah, and we have some more around the outside. So all of that spot, yeah. I'm going to mold up, clean up, take out as much as them fine stone the one you can see. First, I'm going to take out the fine stone them. Then I go ahead and mold it up and clean up some of them little things I see around. Yeah, man. Welcome to vybz 39 channel. Jamaica, the land we all love. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Watch what go on. Yes, kings and queens, we planting. And the cocoa them there. Yeah, man, see some more. I go feed pops out. See them now. And some pumpkin.
Darkness is temporary. A bad mood can't win the light.
Pesamo como te munanga
fuck with this.
You cannot look back. Everything you see is an illusion. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Help when you can. Give when you can. Smile when you can. Cry when you can. Darkness is temporary. A bad mood can't win the light.
The people when we don't take out the stone them and mold up my show now. Wow. Yes, kings and queens, your spot looks so far. Yes, so it's time now to go ahead and mold up, and after me move the rest of the block them, you know. Yeah man, here's the all of the stone them when me get out of it so far. So them they can go in a house foundation anytime. So me I go mold, and meantime me I fork out the place, guys. Yeah man, see fork, eh? Meantime me I fork out the place. I go just continue to take up some of the stone them meantime, you know. Stay tuned, watch what go on. Yeah man, that is it. Kings and queens. So we set up one of the art now. Yeah, kings and queens. What they want to use in this kitchen. So meanwhile we are the guys, we are clean up all the old something them, you know? So I don't want to trash now again, you know. I make one eat this if you burn one now, but that you just have to clean it up on there. Yes, kings and queens, time to start more up again. Yeah. Well, if I store anything, you can see.
When you're moving forward, you cannot look back. Everything you see is an illusion. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Help when you can. Give when you can. Smile when you can.
Yes, kings and queen.
Cry when you
I
can.
go and mold it up and I want to get out the stone them. So as soon as I finish mold it up, you see what I go on.
A
Yes,
bad
kings
mood
and
can win the
seeds.
life.
Kings and queen. Very open what it look like now, guys. And see what it look like, yeah. So I'm gonna sew them right there, so. There's some more of kings and queen. Yeah, I'm gonna sew them at this spot. Then we can plant them out over there, so we mold up, you know. And see me have some bucket with things and plant other seed in. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned and see after I mold up out with the people. Yeah, man, I'm right here, so. I'm going to sow them pop chow seed so we can, when them grow, we plant them over there. Those buckets we can plant other things in. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Juke round here, so that's not enough from crawling or walking the things and things. Yeah. You need some stick for broke and put around it. Stay tuned till me come back and see what I go on. Yes, kings and queen. So I'm going to put them here around the side. As if anybody walk here, so them can know say something plant here, so you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, that is it for this. So. Yes, kings and queen, this is a tea bush called mint. Yeah man, so I go set 2 pieces it and save it we come, you know. Yeah man, see if I can smell it, you will smell it guys. Yeah man, so just stay tuned, watch what I go and I go plant it in another local something today. So. So when it catch our kings and queen, we transplant it somewhere else. Evening time, you know, water it. So our next mint, people. Yeah man, this is our next mint. I'm gonna try to break a piece here, so I'm catch. Yeah, so. Water them when we start cooking now. This have to drink tea. Yeah. So that is it people. So the mint them set there now. Pop chai see them sow right there, so in couple days time I go plant them out over there. So yeah. Yeah, come now guys, I go plant one of them plantain sucker here. Right over here, so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, kings and queen, come along with me. Yeah, so my was big already after kings and queen. Wonder. Yeah, we have plant one here, so then. Yeah, we are go feet and come back now, kings and queen. Yes, kings and queen. Do that. Do that, kings and queen. We go again. tree there. Next one I know king. Yeah, kings and queens. And more plants in the dirt. Yes, kings and queen, right? That's what I said. Now put one right there, sir. That is it to them. Kings and queen. Yeah man, I see him right there, so. See pumpkin, see them the guys when them want they dry. Me sow them so. Me have some melon seed. In this brown paper bag guys, we have some melon seed in it. So we're gonna plant them out in one, sow them in one of them bucket there. And also some marijuana seed. Stay tuned, watch what go on. Here is a melon seed them guys. Yeah man, here is a melon seed so. I'm gonna sow them in this right here so. And give them some water in the evening when the sun cool down. Yeah, so them they sow them now, kings and queen. Yeah, them they sow. So yes, kings and queens, see the marijuana seed them you know. So we're gonna put them in that and leave it. Yeah. See, part of mode of the plant, the pop show them the same way. Yeah, man. Yes, kings and queen, if I make it this far in our video, thank you guys so much, you know. Love and respect every time. See you guys in the next epic one coming. That is it.